My name is R.K. Bassi, and I'm a director of V Automat and Instruments Private Limited. We manufacture process control instruments, and we are associated with the MBT Team for past 2 years, and we are implementing certain sheets, certain systems as been taught to us. Before implementing the solutions, we were doing the work on registers, on the forms, basically on paper. So now we have switched over to all digital, that is Google Sheets and other kind of. Yes, we are using data extractor for the purchases and for sales also. This has immensely helped us to get the data on one sheet. This cannot be measured, but we are enjoying following the new technology and taking the benefit. Yes, I have done it, and I'll be doing it in future as well.
Great, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.